Reports the what are the objective of search engine optimization, the very important points and your business and the boost your another and credibility online, improve your organic search ranking and gain organic website traffic, each use the explain and super your competition, the maximum ROI, support and smart digital marketing strategy, type of search engine optimization and digital marketing. Total discussed my presentation, my videos. The very important point, what are the object of search engine optimization and the rules that search engine optimization has been your business and digital marketing many include an effort. Thank you, my friend, my watching my videos. My presentation, the very important touches point, my discussion, my class, and my tutorial, and my motivational space, my videos, 1 to 10 minutes above my videos. Please subscribe my channel and like, comment, share your valuable comment. You can suggest your comments. Thank you. Best of luck, my friend. My presentation, my videos, and more topics in valuable topics, important topics, and then presentation, my videos. What are the object of search engine optimization? If your business do not have a website, there is high channel that our could be mined out and another benefits ranking search engine optimization can afford your business. If you don't want website having a distribution and online process offer more optimization opportunity to increase your visibility and your business online among many others benefits. The lot of benefits you apply the object of search engine optimization. There's rules of search engine optimization, your business and digital marketing effort. The number one, boost your another and credibility and online. The search engine optimization, that means SEO, can help boost your another and ability online because you're highly that your website rank and search engine, the more trusted your business will seem to growth and the targeted and search engine cloud, that is the boost brand request and engagement visitor and trusted engage with the brand. The important organic search engine ranking. The important organic search engine ranking by optimization your website contain strategy and structural and technical approach. The search engine optimization help improve its ranking on search engine. A highly ranking leads to more visibility and traffic which can trust in more leads and sales can be achieved through several techniques such as keyword research, on-page optimization, technical optimization, and link building. I can repeat the search engine optimization, very important points and important techniques and important rules then can be achieved through several tricks and search keyword and on-page optimization, technical optimization and backlinks, gain organic traffic, gain organic website traffic. Search engine be used and customer according tools by conditional effort. The search engine optimization you will help to drive traffic to your website, which is done by improving your visibility on search engine. In other words, your rank posting. The traffic can be helped to convert this news version. It is the customer and subscribe or followers. Athens used the experience, the search engine, improved the optimized website, structural content and navigators which can ensure your user experience the person's website achievably smarting and improve through your search engine, search and Google. There are strong elevation Google rewarded each when the rank website and able to on very web site can be follows the best practice by ranking your website and the Google top rank, top page, number one page. The superior competition, the superior competition. Search engine optimization help your business against the competition advertising over your competitors. This is can include have more traffic, contain via keyword research, generate website experience throughout easily best practice ranking and high ports and SERPs. The search engine result page great a brand awareness and ultimately more traffic and convert traffic and sales. Maximize ROI. The search engine is a cost-effective digital marketing strategy can generate a high run and improve ROI result. Search engine optimize long-term benefit and once you achieve and high ranking positive content your reach and then always the sub content you're posting by their more traffic and leads search content and brand and grow your button. The support other experience and our digital marketing strategy. Search engine can support others and your digital marketing strategy and various search engine can more support the social media via advertising, email marketing, influencer marketing, content marketing and many more. Well, search engine optimization just one of single digital marketing tricks in the generate search of throwing and style on improve the include your overall digital marketing strategy. The type of search engine optimization in digital marketing very important points. The on-page search engine optimization and off-page search engine optimization and technical search engine optimization, local search engine optimization, keep learn and this the your strategy and your techniques, your guidelines. The number one, what is the search engine optimization? Number two, the what is the benefits of guide to search engine optimization? The search engine optimization keyword results matters guideline and on page ranking factors and our guidelines to technical search engine optimization and local search market. Very important points, the local search market. Again, presentation, the step-by-step videos. Local search market, very important this point. Next video, this presentation, local market. The friends, I can provide the again repeat the more important topics. My videos presentation, the object of search engine optimization. Your business ultimately highly convert and that core the messages and website traveling distribution online process and optimize including visibility your business online amount and your many benefits. There are rules of search engine optimization in business and digital marketing effort. Another in evolution, the search engine optimization help boost in credibility your online your business. Ultimately, friends, your digital marketing then success. Your any people, any person, any small business, any medium business, and large business. The ultimately more traffic generate and highly targeted customer and ranking your website on Google Google page, and another search engine, Yahoo, Bing, etc., etc. But I do a lot of search engine. But Google is a very important search engine the present time in the world. A lot of people the search engine using of Google search engine. Your traffic must be targeted the Google top page and ranking yours. You can apply your business, your website must be applied the search engine optimization and digital marketing. Very important part, digital marketing, the under uses the search engine optimization. Friends, you can try your business, your website, your web page, and the search engine optimization, and the object of search engine optimization and usability, another search engine optimization, improve your organic search engine ranking factors, gain your organic traffic, and another your competitor experience and suffer your competitor, and the maximum ORI, and the support that is space your digital marketing strategy, and type of digital marketing and search engine optimization, type of the search engine optimization in digital marketing, then the on page search engine optimization, of page search engine optimization, technical software optimization. You can then apply more and more search engine. Thank you, best of luck. My next videos presentation, the local search marketing. Thank you, best of luck.